Welcome back. Today we are going to start with another theorem that is named as Thevenin theorem. In the previous lecture, we have already learned about the superposition theorem and we did some of the example based on the superposition theorem. So let us start with the Thevenin theorem. What Thevenin theorem states? It states that any linear circuit containing several voltages and resistances that can be replaced by a single voltage source having a series single resistance connected across the load resistance. What does it means? Thevenin theorem कहती है कि किसी भी सर्किट में we may have number of voltage sources or current sources and having a series of resistances. बहुत सारे रेजिस्टेंस हो सकते हैं, नंबर ऑफ वोल्टेज सोर्सेज हो सकते हैं या करंट सोर्सेज हो सकते हैं. Then Thevenin theorem stated that all these network connections of voltage sources or current sources and the resistances that we can replace by a single voltage source having a single series resistance with it. It means जो हमारा complete network है वो एक single voltage source उसके साथ एक series resistance में convert हो जाएगा along with its load resistance. What you have to do while solving the numerical problem using the Thevenin theorem, there are different steps that you need to be followed. सबसे पहला काम हम क्या करेंगे? We will remove the load resistance RL. अब ये कैसे डिसाइड होता है कि कौन सा रेजिस्टेंस RL है, लोड रेजिस्टेंस है? वो हमें क्वेश्चन से पता चलेगा. जिस रेजिस्टेंस के अक्रॉस हमें करंट फाइंड आउट करना है या वोल्टेज फाइंड आउट करनी है, जो भी पैरामीटर पूछा जाएगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी विल डिसाइड द लोड रेजिस्टेंस. Then you have to remove this load resistance first, then remove all the voltage sources and current sources. Again the same concept you have to follow. Voltage sources will be replaced by short circuit and current sources will be taken as open circuit while removing the sources from the circuit. Next step is find the equivalent resistance. जब आपने वोल्टेज सोर्सेस को हटा दिया सर्किट से या करंट सोर्सेस को हटा दिया, then and RL is also removed, then we will left with the number of resistances given in the circuit. By calculating those resistances, they can be in series combination or parallel combination or both. Then you have to find out the equivalent resistance by solving the network. इक्वल रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? सारे के सारे सोर्सेज दोबारा से लगा देंगे एंड वी विल फाइंड द इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेज. दैट इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेज इज नोन एज थेवेनिन वोल्टेज. अब इस स्टेप तक हमें क्या मिल गया सर्किट में? दैट वी हैव अ सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स एंड अ सिंगल रेजिस्टेंस. बट डोंट फॉरगेट टू रिप्लेस द आरएल अगेन टू सॉल्व द सर्किट. VTH ऑब्टेन हो गया, RTH ऑब्टेन हो गया. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल अगेन प्लेस द RL इनटू द सर्किट एंड we will find out the current through RL using Ohm's law and the load current value will be given by the Thevenin voltage divided by the total resistance in the circuit. अब जो equivalent circuit हमारे पास आया उसमें total resistance क्या है? That is RTH plus RL. What is the advantage of Thevenin theorem? It reduces the complex circuits into a single voltage source and a resistance. Let us see what will be the equivalent circuit if I solve the network using Thevenin theorem. And every circuit, कितना भी complex हो, कितना भी simple हो, after using the steps of the Thevenin theorem, you will left with the single voltage source that we have named as Thevenin voltage and a series resistance named as RTH. These are the two terminal जहां पे आपको load resistance को दोबारा से replace करना है and you have to find out the value of the current, that is load current, that will be given by VTH divided by RTH plus RL. तो कोई भी सर्किट गिवन होगा that will be replaced by a single voltage source. This voltage source is known as Thevenin voltage, and the equivalent resistance is known as Thevenin resistance. So this is about the Thevenin theorem. And how will you follow the step? Let us understand the Thevenin theorem with the help of example. It will be more clear view of the Thevenin theorem if we take some example. This is the circuit given to you. Let it be 220 volt. The connection of the resistances is in form of bridge. Let these values are 30 ohm, 20 ohm, let it be 50 ohm, 5 ohm and 24 ohms. Now this is the complete circuit given. What you have to do, you have to find IL through 24 ohm resistor. Now you can see the resistance value through which we have to find out the current, that is 24 ohm. और 24 ohm resistance कौन सा है? This one. Let these points are A and B. अभी हमारा यहाँ पे RL क्या हो गया? 24 ohms हो गया. Now to find out the current through 24 ohm resistance, we have to use the Thevenin theorem. So सबसे पहला step हम क्या करेंगे? Step number 1, you have to remove RL. तो जब आप RL को remove कर देंगे, what will be the circuit? We will get this type of circuit. We have removed RL and remaining resistances are as such. This is 30, 20, 5, 50. This point is A, this point is B. We are left with this circuit. Remove कर लिया. Then step 2 क्या है? Step 2 is find RTH. RTH find out करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to remove this 220 volt. तो जब हम इस 220 volt को remove कर देंगे, what we will have a short circuit connection, because voltage sources are to be short circuited and current sources are to be open circuited. Now you can see these two terminals are short circuited. It means what? This is nothing but this much of connection is there. Now you can see from this circuit that if I connect these two terminal by a single wire, it means these are short circuited. तो हमारे पास जो ये resistances हैं, ये कौन सा वाला? 30 and 50, they become in parallel. 20 and 5, they become in parallel, है ना? And then they are in series combination. So to find out RTH, what you have to do is RTH is equal to 30 parallel to 50 plus 20 parallel to 5. You will solve this combination. What it will come out to be? 30 into 50 divided by 80 plus 20 into 5 divided by 25. When you will solve this, it will come out to be 22.75 ohms. तो हमने क्या किया? स्टेप 2 में RL को रिमूव करने के बाद RTH फाइंड आउट कर लिया. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ RTH? इट इज 22.75. Now what is the next step? Next step is to find out the, after finding RTH, we will calculate VTH. Now the step number 3 will be calculation of VTH. अब जब VTH find out करना है, what we have to do? You have to replace the voltage source again and सिर्फ वोल्टेज सोर्स को रिप्लेस करेंगे, लोड रेजिस्टेंस को नहीं. RTH हमने निकाल लिया है. वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेज अक्रॉस AB, टर्मिनल AB, जो जहां से हमने लोड रेजिस्टेंस को रिमूव किया था. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? 20 and 5. Now see, due to this voltage source, these two, and from this point, two branches are going on and current is divided into these two branches. Let this current is I1 and I2. So to find out VTH, find out the value of I1 and I2. You can see this 30 ohm is in series with 50 ohm and 20 is in series with 25. Means when you will see this circuit in a linear way, it will look like this, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? A आ गया, B आ गया. इन दोनों के बीच में हमने क्या लगा हुआ है? हमारा वोल्टेज सोर्स लगा हुआ है, दैट इज 220 वोल्ट. ओके, नाउ it is clear, more clear that this 30 is in series with 50 and this 20 is in series with 5. So you have to find out the value of I1 and I2. तो जब आप I1 फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 220 divided by 50 plus 30. So you will calculate this. It will come out to be 2.75 ampere. And when you calculate I2, it will come out to be 220 divided by 20 plus 5. It will be 8.8 ampere. Now you will calculate the value of VTH. Now current आपको पता है, यहाँ से current is entering here, current is entering here, I2 is entering at these 2 points and combining again. So you will find out the value of VTH. So what will be VTH? You will write the equation over here. It will come out to be VTH minus 30 I1 minus 50 I1 So, how will you calculate VTH? You can see here these two resistances are in series and this can be linearly made in this manner. The circuit drawn in form of bridge is same as that of this combination. What you have to do is you have to find out the voltage through A, between A and B, that is our VThevenin, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will VThevenin, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगी हमारी? VA minus VB. So you will find out VA and VB. VA क्या आ जाएगा? This is 30, this is 50, 20 and 5. So what is the value of VA? We will apply simply potential divider formula. पैरेलल में वोल्टेज है तो यहाँ दोनों combinations के क्रॉस voltage will remain the same. So it will VA will come out to be 50 divided by 80 multiplied by 220. When you will calculate it, the value of VA will come out to be 137.5 volt. Similarly, you will calculate VB, it will come out to be plus 5 multiplied by 220. It will come out to be 25 into 220, then 44 volt. So what is VThevenin? It is VA minus VB. So 137.5 minus 44, it will come out to be 93.5 volt. Now what we have done? We have calculated RTH. RTH हमारा क्या आया था? RTH was 22.75 ohm and VTH also we have calculated 93.5. Now you will draw the Thevenin model of the circuit. So Thevenin model, Thevenin theorem क्या थी? That the circuit can be replaced by a single voltage source having a series resistance. अब ये जो voltage source हमारा equivalent source आया, this was VTH, इसकी value आपने कितनी निकाली है? 93.5 volt. और RTH कितना आया है हमारा? RTH is 22.75. Okay. Now you will replace RL back. This is was our RL. RL की वैल्यू कितनी थी हमारे पास initially? It was 24 ohm. So you have to find out the value of IL. IL is this one current. So it will come out to be 93.5 divided by 22.75 plus 24. So when you will calculate, it will come out to be IL, that is load current through 24 ohm resistance. It will come out to be 2 ampere. So this is how you can solve the network using Thevenin theorem. Let us see one more example. Example number 2. What you have to do, you have to find out, the statement is find Thevenin equivalent of the given circuit. अभी यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है? लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था? You find it out the IL, current through the load resistance. But यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है? We have to find out the Thevenin equivalent of the given circuit, and the given circuit is, this is 50 volt, 10 ohm, 6 ohm, 10 volt. This is the circuit given to you. This is 3 ohm resistance. और यहाँ पे हमें दो टर्मिनल ओपन दिए हैं A, B. So what you have to do, you have to find out the equivalent, Thevenin equivalent of the circuit. It means यहाँ पे हमें VTH की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. Just you have to find out the value of RTH. और लोड ऑलरेडी ओपन है, कोई भी हमें लोड रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू गिवन नहीं है. So you have to make this type of circuit. You have to find out the value of Thevenin voltage and the Thevenin resistance. So let us start. What will you do? You have to find out the value of VA and VB. Simple. VA, B निकालना है हमें. B तो हमारा 0 ही है, तो VA minus 0 volt हो जाएगा. So whatever is the voltage across terminal terminal A and B, that will be our Thevenin voltage. So very first step, what you have to do, first step में हमने क्या किया था? Step number 1 was to remove RL. अब RL हमें यहाँ पे दिया ही नहीं है. So we will, the first step here in this case will be remove all the sources. तो आप क्या करेंगे? वोल्टेज सोर्स को शॉर्ट सर्किट कर देंगे. तो जब आप वोल्टेज सोर्स को शॉर्ट सर्किट करेंगे, दिस विल बी द सर्किट गिवन 10, 6 and 3. So what you will do, you will find out the value of RTH. अब RTH की वैल्यू क्या है? You can see 3 तो ओपन में है, तो 3 is in series with parallel combination of 10 and 6. 3 plus, सॉल्व कर लेंगे इसको. 10 into 6 divided by 10 plus 6. It will come out to be 3 plus 60 divided by 16. So when you will solve it out, it will come out to be 6.75. Now, the next step is to find out the Thevenin voltage, that is voltage across VAB. To find out the voltage across VAB, we have the circuit again. We will quickly draw it. You can see A और B के अक्रॉस जो हमें वोल्टेज फाइंड आउट करनी है, एज देयर इज ओपन पाथ, तो 3 ओम के रेजिस्टेंस तो कोई भी करंट फ्लो नहीं करेगा. होल ऑफ द करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू दिस लूप ओनली, like this. Let the current is I. You will simply apply Kirchhoff's law. So what will be the equation come out to be? Equation क्या आ जाएगी हमारे पास? 50 minus 10I minus 6I minus 10 is equal to 0. You will find out the value of I. But I क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास? It will be I will be equal to 40 divided by 16. It will come out to be 2.5 ampere. अब देखिए VAB क्या है? VAB is the voltage across this and 10 volt. अब 10 volt तो 10 ही रहेगा, right? Voltage across 3 ohm resistance plus voltage across 6 ohm resistance, you will find out 10 plus, अब यहां से तो कोई करंट जा ही नहीं रहा है because the current here is open circuit है, तो यहाँ पे क्या करंट हो जाएगा? यहाँ तो जीरो करंट जा रहा है हमारे पास, तो voltage across 3 ohm resistance will be equal to 0 and voltage across 6 ohm resistance कितनी हो जाएगी? You know this is 6 into I, it will be 6 into 2.5. So when you will calculate it, it will come out to be 10 plus 15, 25. यानी VTH कितनी आ गई हमारे पास? VTH is equal to VAB is equal to 25 volt. So Thevenin equivalent आपने ड्रॉ करना था, तो what will be the Thevenin equivalent? Thevenin equivalent circuit is a single voltage source that is known as Thevenin voltage. यहाँ पे हमारे पास वैल्यू का ही है 25 वोल्ट एंड इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस RTH, जिसकी वैल्यू हमने फाइंड आउट की थी 6.75 ohms, A and B. So this is your Thevenin equivalent and as asked in the problem. Let us do one more example. Example number 3. Find Thevenin equivalent across terminal A and B in the following circuit. The circuit given is, this is 10 volt, 5 ohm resistance. This is 2 ohm resistance. This is terminal A. One ohm, 4 ohm, 5 volt. This is terminal B and these two terminals are short circuited. So, you have to find out the equivalent Thevenin equivalent across these two terminal VA and VB. Now, I can more simplify this circuit. Let us see how. प्लस माइनस, तो ये वाला जो 5 ओम रेजिस्टेंस है ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. This 2 ohm resistance will be here only, but the terminals are interchanged. अब A पहले नीचे था, A कहाँ आ गया? ऊपर आ गया. Now you can see these two terminal are connected like this. ये जो short circuit वाली वायर है, I have just connected it like this and this will remain as such. इस वाले पोर्शन ऑफ द सर्किट में हमारे पास कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. इट विल रिमेन एज सच. सो what you have to do, you have to find out Thevenin voltage and Thevenin resistance तो पहले हम इसमें थेवेनिन वोल्टेज कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। कोई भी आप चाहे RTH पहले फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए, चाहे VTH, एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट VTH. VTH इज नथिंग बट VA माइनस VB, क्योंकि इसके अक्रॉस की जो वोल्टेज है दैट इज अवर VTH। तो VA हम फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे। VA की वैल्यू क्या है? 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 प्लस 5 multiplied by 10. So simple it is. It will come out to be 2.85 volt. VB क्या है? VB is again voltage divider formula. It is 1 upon 1 plus 4 multiplied by 5. It is 1 volt. So what will be value of VTH? It is VA minus VB. It will come out to be 2.85 minus 1, 1.85 volt. तो ये हमारी क्या आ गई? VTH की वैल्यू आ गई। Now you will find out the value of RTH. अब RTH फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? ये वाला जो वोल्टेज सोर्स है इसको भी शॉर्ट सर्किट कर देंगे और इस 5 वोल्ट को भी शॉर्ट सर्किट कर देंगे। तो जब आप इन दोनों सर्किट्स को शॉर्ट सर्किट करेंगे, दोनों वोल्टेजेस को शॉर्ट सर्किट करेंगे, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? दीज टू resistances will come out to in parallel combination. This 1 and 4 will also come out to be in parallel combination और आपस में क्या हो जाएंगे? सीरीज में हो जाएंगे। So let us see how. Next step will be to find out RTH. तो जब हमें RTH find out करना है, what we will do? We will short circuit the 10 volt voltage source, and this part of the circuit will be like this. This is terminal A, and also we will short circuit 5 volt, and this part of the circuit will be like this. It is 5, 2, 1, 4. Now you can see RTH क्या है? It is the parallel combination of 5 with 2 and parallel combination of 1 with 4, और आपस में क्या है? दोनों सीरीज में है। तो आप क्या कर लेंगे? You will find out this simple circuitry. It will be 10 divided by 7 plus 4 divided by 5. When you will calculate it, it will come out to be 1.43 plus 0.8. It will be 2.23 ohms. और VTH हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट कर लिया है। VTH की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आई थी? 1.85 वोल्ट। एंड द ऑब्जेक्टिव वाज टू ड्रॉ द इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट ऑफ थेवेनिन। थेवेनिन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट हमने ड्रॉ करना था। This is the Thevenin equivalent circuit. You have already got the values of VTH. It is 1.85 volt and RTH is 2.23 ohms. So this is the equivalent circuit. Similarly, you can solve as many as problems based on the Thevenin theorems. Thank you very much. That's all for today.